Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video we're going to do a review on this 1966 Mercury Cyclone GT model car made in a 1/18 scale by Yatming Road Signature. So stay with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed yet. And also give me a thumbs up, share this video, and click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at its details right now. The 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone. This car was really a fantastic muscle car in the 1960s, and it was a mid-sized intermediate muscle car. It had an intermediate-sized body that would be a slightly shrunk Ford Galaxy with a powerful engine and a good transmission. This car was originally equipped with a 390 335 horsepower V8 engine with a 3-speed on-the-floor automatic transmission, or it could also be equipped with a 4-on-the-floor mechanical transmission. And it could also have the monstrous big block Ford V8 engine. It was offered as a 2-door coupe or convertible, like this model car we see here. This model car, made by Yatming and the Road Signature Collection and Leather Series, features, among some other details, leather seats. They have actual leather, which is a very nice feature for a model car. It's an intermediate model car, from budget to intermediate, so it has a non-opening trunk, which would be a minus, but it's got opening doors and opening hood with a detailed engine and a pretty good undercarriage. It's got some pretty decent chrome nice wheels and tires that really look like the real ones. Realistic taillights, realistic headlights, and very nice lines, as we can notice from this model car. So we're going to take a look at its details and go through it right now. The very nice and aggressive front of a Mercury Comet. The grille is pretty well made. Perhaps a little black washing could give it a little more realism. It's got the Comet emblem on the left side. Pretty good headlights. They're not the most perfect ones, but they're pretty good. Parking lights on the bumper could be a little bit better. They're not bad. Couple scoops in the hood, which is pretty well aligned. The cowl could be a little more realistic, perhaps with a little black wash. I can improve that. Windshield has a pretty good transparency, and the windshield wipers are cast in the same piece of a trim around the windshield. Pretty nice looking engine bay. It's all made in black. And the engine that looks like a 390. It's got chrome valve covers and a chrome air filter pan. Distributors and its cables look pretty good. They're not the best ones, but they're okay. Radiator and the radiator hose, and a battery without the cables but with the terminals. Looks pretty decent. The hood is okay. And the hinges could be a little bit better, but they're not bad at all. One thing that's nice about convertible cars, it's much easier to see the interior. The interior looks very nice. I really like this dashboard with the gauges and a 2-spoke steering wheel with a wood grain pattern, 3-speed automatic on the floor, and the 2 pedals. It's just basically black plastic, but the seats are actual leather, which is good. They look pretty realistic in this leather. Door panels and side panels look good. All trim inside interior looks very nice. We have lots of chrome parts. And a console that looks like brushed aluminum. From the passenger side, we can see the leather seats that tilt, which is nice. And this leather finishing really gives it a very nice appearance. Very good looking car. In the rear of the car, the Comet logo is painted on the trunk lid, which is cast in metal. It's very well cast indeed. It's got a trunk lock in the middle, which is very well cast as well, and a trim with a Cyclone logo between the taillights, which are made in acrylic and look very realistic. The bumper's got very good quality. The car from underneath, it's pretty honest, it's pretty well made. We can see the screws, which are painted black. It's no big deal really. It's a pretty decent base. This car seems to be a unibody, so you can see the subframes, a rear suspension with a leaf spring system, the mufflers, the gas tank, which is pretty well made, although it's black, the muffler tips, look pretty good. Wheels and tires look good. Rear and front suspensions do not work, but look very good. Drive shaft does not spin. The big oil pan for the transmission and the engine. Front wheel steer. Pretty decent model car. Ranking this car from 0 to 10, I would give it a 9. I think it's a pretty good grade for an honest model. It's a basic to intermediate model car. It's not really a budget one, but it's not really a premium one. And for a basic to intermediate model car, Yatming delivers a pretty good product in this line. This is a decent car and a decent model car and a very interesting item that is highly collectible nowadays. I think it's a very nice model, although the non-competent trunk would be a minus. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel in case you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the video and about the car. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and click the bell for news. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.